Today we are going to learn the problems in a practice set 3.1. आज आपण सराव प्रश्नसंच 3.1 यामधील काही प्रॉब्लेमचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. You always remember this, we have to learn already in last lesson. First theorem is a tangent theorem. The tangent at any point of circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. वर्तुळाच्या स्पर्शिकेच्या स्पर्शबिंदूतून काढलेली त्रिज्या त्या स्पर्शिकेला लंब असते. Converse of tangent theorem we have to learn already in last lectures. A line perpendicular to a radius at its point on the circle is a tangent to the circle. वर्तुळाच्या त्रिज्येला लंब असणाऱ्या वर्तुळावरील बिंदूतून काढलेली रेषा त्या वर्तुळाची स्पर्शिका असते. And tangent segment theorem. Tangent segment drawn from an external point to circle are congruent. वर्तुळाच्या बाह्य बिंदूतून काढलेल्या स्पर्शिका खंड एकरूप असतात. या प्रमेयाचा अभ्यास आपण मागील तासामध्ये केलेला आहे. We have to learn problems depend upon this theorem, tangent radius theorem, converse of tangent radius theorem and tangent segment theorem. Practice set 3.1. First problem. In the adjoining figure, the radius of circle with center C is 6 centimeter. Line AB is a tangent at A. Answer the following questions. First, what is the measure of angle CAB and why? Second question, what is the distance of point C from line AB? Why? And number 3, distance AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Find distance BC. And last one, what is the measure of angle ABC? Phi. Given figure is this. Practice set 3.1 मधील पहिला प्रॉब्लेम. शेजारील आकृतीमध्ये C केंद्र असलेले वर्तुळ आहे ज्याची त्रिज्या 6 सेंटीमीटर. रेषा AB ही वर्तुळाची स्पर्शिका बिंदू A मध्ये स्पर्श करते. आन्सर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. त्यावरून खालील प्रश्नांची उत्तरे लिहा. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हॉट इज द मेजर ऑफ अँगल CAB? अँगल CAB ची किंमत काढायची आहे. व्हॉट इज द डिस्टन्स ऑफ पॉइंट C फ्रॉम लाइन AB? रेषा AB चे C पर्यंतचे अंतर किती आहे आणि का? डिस्टन्स AB इज इक्वल टू 6 सेंटीमीटर. फाइंड डिस्टन्स BC. AB चे अंतर बरोबर 6 सेंटीमीटर आहे, तर BC ची अंतर किती? आणि व्हॉट इज द मेजर ऑफ अँगल ABC? कोन ABC चे माप किती? वाय? कारण लिहा. Solution of this problem. In a circle with center C, line AB is a tangent. C केंद्र असलेल्या वर्तुळामध्ये रेषा AB वर्तुळाची स्पर्शिका आहे. ड्रॉ सिगमेंट CA इन फिगर. आकृतीमध्ये CA हा जोडून घेतलेला आहे. ड्रॉ सिगमेंट CA इन दिस फिगर. By using theorem of tangent radius theorem. स्पर्शिका त्रिज्येच्या प्रमेयानुसार. When a line is a perpendicular to the radius at point of contact. वर्तुळाची स्पर्शिका स्पर्शबिंदूतून काढलेल्या त्रिज्येला लंब असते. Therefore, CA is a perpendicular to the tangent AB by using theorem of tangent radius theorem. Therefore, angle CAB is equal to 90 degree. In a circle with center C of radius CA, it is given radius of circle is a 6 centimeter. उदाहरणामध्ये वर्तुळाची त्रिज्या दिलेली आहे. Therefore, radius of circle CA is equal to 6 centimeter. His distance of point C from line AB is equal to 6 centimeter. This is the answer of the first question. The answer of first question, what is the measure of angle CAB? Therefore, measure of angle CAB is equal to 90 degree. Why? Because by using theorem of radius tangent theorem, CA is a perpendicular to tangent AB. Therefore, angle CAB is equal to 90 degree. Second question, what is the distance of point C from line AB? रेषा AB चे बिंदू C पासूनचे अंतर किती? In figure, CA is a radius of circle and length of radius of circle is 6 centimeter given in the problem. Therefore, distance of point C from line AB is a 6 centimeter. Answer of third sub question, distance AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Find distance BC. In a circle with center C, join the segment BC. In a triangle CAB, angle CAB is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, triangle CAB is a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, by using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of square of remaining right angle side. Therefore, BC square is equal to AC square plus AB square. In this triangle, BC square is equal to AC square plus AB square. Therefore, BC square is equal to, substitute the value of AC is equal to 6 square plus AB is also given in this third sub question. Distance AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore, 6 square plus 6 square is equal to 36 plus 36 is equal to sum of these is a 72. Taking square root of BC square, then 72 write in factor 36 multiplied 2. Therefore, BC is equal to, in square root, 36 into 2. Taking square root of 36 is the 6. 6 into root 2 is the length of BC. Therefore, distance BC is equal to 6 square root 2. Number 4. What is the measure of angle ABC and why? In a circle with center C, the angle CAB is equal to 90 degree and AB is equal to AC having same length is equal to 6 centimeter. Opposite angle of congruent side are congruent. एकरूप बाजू समोरचे कोण एकरूप असतात. Therefore, angle ACB is equal to angle CBA is equal to y to consider as a x. the angle B is the opposite angle of side AC. Angle C is the opposite side of angle AB. Therefore, side AB is a congruent side AC. Means opposite angle of congruent side are congruent. Therefore, angle ACB is a congruent angle CBA. We have to consider as a x degree. In a triangle CAB, sum of all angle of triangle is 180 degree. त्रिकोणाच्या सर्व कोणाच्या मापाची बेरीज 180 अंश असते. Therefore, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Angle A is equal to 90 degree plus angle C and angle B is x degree. 90 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x plus x is a 2x is equal to 90 goes down LHS side, then you get minus 2x is equal to 180 minus 90 is equal to 90. This 2 multiply x, 2 goes down RHS side, then you get divide. Therefore, x is equal to 90 upon 2 is equal to 45. Means angle ABC is equal to 45 degree. Problem number 2. In the adjoining figure, O is the center of the circle. From point R, segment RM and segment RN are tangent segment touching the circle at M and N. If OR is equal to 10 centimeter and radius of the circle is equal to 5 centimeter, then what is the length of each tangent segment? Second, what is the measure of angle MRO? Number 3, what is the measure of angle MRN? Given this figure. First, you understand the meaning of this question. In a circle with center O, point R is the exterior point. RM and RN are two tangent segments of the circle, and this tangent segment touching at point M and N. If OR is equal to 10 centimeter and radius of circle is 5 centimeter, then to find out. Answer of the first sub question, what is the length of each segment? In figure, joint segment OM and ON. In this figure, to joint segment OM and segment ON are radii of the circle. OR is equal to 10 centimeter is given and radius of circle is a 5 centimeter. First question of answer, in a circle with center O, in a triangle OMR, angle OMR is equal to 90 degree by using tangent radius theorem. In a triangle OMR, the angle M is equal to 90 degree by using Pythagoras theorem in a triangle OMR. Therefore, which is hypotenuse? OR is a hypotenuse. By using Pythagoras theorem, OR square is equal to OM square plus MR square. Substitute the value. Then to find the segment, tangent segment MR. MR square is equal to OR square minus OM square. Rearrange this equation. Substitute the value. OR is equal to 10 square minus OM is equal to 5 square. Then MR square is equal to 100 minus 25. Then MR square is equal to 100 minus 25 is 75. To find the factor of 75, 25 multiply 3, 25 get square root. Therefore, MR is equal to, taking square root, root 25 multiply 3, 5 root 3 is the value of length of tangent segment. Write down. What is the measure of angle MRO? In this figure, in a triangle OMR, angle M is equal to 90 degree, OR is equal to 10, and OM is equal to 5. The relation between OR and OM, therefore phi is a half of 10. Hence, OM is the half of OR. Therefore, by using 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree angle triangle theorem, 30-60-90 अंश त्रिकोणाचे प्रमेय. त्रिकोण OMR मध्ये OR ची लांबी 10 आहे, OM ची लांबी 5 आहे. म्हणजे OM हा OR पेक्षा निमपट आहे. जर एखाद्या त्रिकोणाचे कोन 30-60-90 असतील तर त्या प्रमेयाचा व्यत्यास किंवा कॉन्व्हर्स ऑफ 30-60-90 अँगल. The opposite side of 30 angle is half of hypotenuse. 30-60-90 त्रिकोणाच्या कोनाच्या प्रमेयाचा व्यत्यास काय सांगतो? जर 30 अंश कोनासमोरील बाजू कर्णाच्या निमपट असते. येथे कर्ण OR is a hypotenuse. हा हायपोटेनस म्हणजे कर्ण आहे. OM ही बाजू कर्णाच्या निमपट आहे. म्हणजे OM समोरील कोन 30 अंशाचा असतो. Therefore, angle MRO is equal to 30 degree. Similarly, in a triangle ONR, OR is equal to 10, ON is equal to 5. ON is the half of OR. Therefore, angle NRO is equal to also 30 degree. Therefore, this angle is 30 degree. This angle is also 30 degree. Then to find measure of angle MRO is equal to 30 degree. And question number 3. What is the measure of angle MRN? This angle MRN is the sum of these two angles MRO and angle NRO. Therefore, the answer of third sub question, angle MRN is equal to sum of angle MRO plus angle NRO is equal to 30 degree plus 30 degree is equal to 60 degree. Question number 3. Segment RM and segment RN are tangent segment of circle with center O. Prove that segment OR bisect of angle MRN as well as angle MON. O केंद्र असलेल्या वर्तुळामध्ये MR and NR या स्पर्शिका खंड आहेत. Prove that segment OR bisect. तर एक OR हा अँगल MRN आणि अँगल MON चा दुभाजक आहे हे सिद्ध करा. Solution. In a triangle OMR and triangle ONR या दोन त्रिकोणामध्ये segment OM is a congruent segment ON, radius of same circle, and segment MR is a congruent segment NR because tangent segment. Therefore, segment OR is a congruent segment OR. It is a common side. In a triangle OMR and triangle ONR, segment OM is a congruent segment ON, radius of same circle. Segment MR is a congruent segment NR, tangent segment, and segment OR is a congruent segment OR. It is a common side. Therefore, triangle OMR is a congruent triangle ONR by SSS test. When two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding side and corresponding angle are congruent. By using this, when two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding angles are congruent. Therefore, the corresponding angle MOR is a corresponding angle NOR. Therefore, angle MOR is a congruent angle NOR. Second corresponding angle angle MOR is a congruent angle NOR, and angle MRO is a congruent angle NOR. These two angles are corresponding angle of congruent triangle. Therefore, segment OR is a bisect of angle MRN as well as angle OMR. Hence, it is a proof segment OR bisect of angle MRN as angle MON. Last problem. Question number 4 in a practice set 3.1. What is distance between two parallel tangent of a circle having radius 4.5 centimeter? Justify your answer. This is the given figure. In a circle with center O, line AB and line CD are parallel tangents. Parallel tangents touches to circle at point P and at point Q. Therefore, joint segment PQ. Segment PQ passing through the center of O. Therefore, segment PQ is diameter of circle. By using theorem of tangent radius theorem. This is a tangent and radius OP is a perpendicular to each other. Therefore, angle APO is equal to 90 degree and angle CQO is also is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by using tangent radius theorem. Distance between two parallel tangent, line AB and line CD, distance between them is a diameter. Radius of circle is given 4.5 centimeter. Hence, the relation between radius and diameter, diameter is a twice of radius. Therefore, PQ is equal to 2 multiply 4.5 is equal to 9 centimeter. Hence, distance between two parallel tangent of circle is 9 centimeter. Write down. First problem for homework. In the adjoining figure, P is the center of circle. From point Q, segment QA and segment QB are tangent segment, touching the circle at point A and B. If PQ is equal to 5 centimeter and radius of the circle is equal to 3 centimeter, then what is the length of each tangent segment? Second sub question, what is the measure of angle AQB? And third sub question, what is the measure of angle BQP? And second problem for homework, what is the distance between two parallel tangents of circle having radius 5.3 centimeter, and justify your answer. Best of luck. यशस्वी होण्यासाठी सोमनाथ गीते मॅथ एक्सपर्ट या चॅनलवरील यूट्यूब व्हिडिओ पहा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. तुमच्या कर्तृत्वान यशस्वी हाताने सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. थँक्यू.